Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the magical world of castor oil, nature's hidden gem for pain relief and skincare. Buckle up as we uncover its incredible benefits and quirky uses that will leave you amazed and reaching for that bottle of castor oil. Pain relief powerhouse. Castor oil isn't just for your grandma's old remedies, it packs a serious punch against pain. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it's a go-to for easing sore muscles, joint pains, and even headaches. Simply massage a bit onto the affected area and let its soothing effects work their magic. Luscious locks. Hair care hero. Struggling with dry, frizzy hair or hair loss? Castor oil could be your new best friend. Rich in nourishing fatty acids and vitamin E, it moisturizes your scalp, promotes hair growth, and strengthens those strands from root to tip. Bid farewell to bad hair days. Just a few drops, and you're on your way to healthier, sheenier locks. Skin saver. Glow jetter. Dreaming of flawless skin? Castor oil might just be the secret ingredient you've been missing. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it effective against acne and other skin woes. Plus, it's a natural moisturizer that helps combat dryness and wrinkles, leaving your skin soft, supple, and radiantly smooth. Eyelash and brow booster. Yes, you heard it right. Castor oil isn't just for your scalp. Want fuller lashes and thicker brows? Dip a clean mascara brush into castor oil and apply it nightly. Watch as your lashes become longer and your brows grow more defined. It's like magic, but better. All natural and oh so effective. The quirky side. Unexpected uses. Castor oil isn't just limited to beauty routines. Did you know it's used in some food preparations and even in industrial applications? Its versatility knows no bounds. From helping plants grow to lubricating machinery, it's a multitasking marvel that deserves a spot in every household. Wrap up. Why you should love castor oil. So there you have it. Castor oil, your new go-to for pain relief, hair care, skin perfection, and beyond. It's time to say goodbye to synthetic remedies and hello to nature's remedy. Don't just take our word for it. Try it yourself and join the castor oil revolution. Hit that like button if you're ready to embrace the wonders of castor oil. Remember, nature knows best. And so do you, now that you've unlocked the secrets of this incredible oil. Stay tuned for more health hacks and natural remedies. Until next time, keep shining with castor oil.